Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Mac model and firmware. Know what hardware you have so you can select the right patches. Once done, download the official Sequoia installer and the matching Open Core release. You will also need a 16 GB or larger USB drive. Make sure you make a full-time machine backup or a bootable clone, because the process touches drives and you want a safe restore point if anything goes wrong. You now create the installer. Run Create Install Media against the Sequoia app to make a USB installer, then mount and install Open Core to that USB. After Open Core is installed, copy required texts, drivers, and a tailored config. Plist into the EFI. This is where model-specific settings live. Next, add kernel patches and GPU or SMC fixes for your CPU/GPU combination, so the installer will boot and the hardware will be recognized. Validate checksums and paths before proceeding to boot. You boot the patched USB on the target Mac and choose the app's target volume to install Sequoia. Follow the installer prompts and let it complete. Once installed, bless the Open Core EFI on the internal drive or copy the working EFI to the internal EFI so the Mac boots from it. If audio, GPU, or sleep misbehave, reinstall Kext to the system volume and refine your config. Plist. If booting fails, reboot in verbose mode to read errors, tweak patches, and restore your backup if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.